you ever considered that you can make money while watching YouTube shorts? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, here's the proof that I've earned $451 in a single day just by watching YouTube shorts. In this video, I'm going to reveal this method so you can take advantage of it and earn thousands of dollars. So let's dive into this video. The first step is to navigate to the YouTube homepage. Once you're there, log into your YouTube account by clicking on the Sign In button. You can use your Gmail and password to sign in, or if you don't have an account, you can click here to create a new one. Once you've logged into your YouTube account, you have to go to the Shorts section. You can do this by either typing #shorts in the YouTube search bar or by clicking on Shorts in the top left corner. Here, you'll find a vast collection of over 700 million YouTube shorts. In just a moment, I'll explain how you can earn money by watching these YouTube shorts. But first, let me provide you with some proof to assure you that this method is legitimate and effective. As you can see, this person made $21, and this person made $17. The list of earners goes on and on. Just imagine how much money you can make if you watch 100 shorts every day. In this section, you'll find plenty of shorts to watch, but not all of them will help you earn money. It's essential to select shorts that have millions of views. For example, this video has 77 million views, making it a suitable choice for making money. Keep in mind to select videos only with views higher than 1 million to maximize your earnings. I'll also provide you with 3 different niches where you can find videos with millions of views. The first niche is sports. To access these videos, simply type in the search bar, #shortsports, and you'll see videos like these. This video has 6.2 million views. This one has 38 million views, another with 14 million views, and the list continues. This is a reliable niche where you can find videos without worrying about video views. The second niche to consider is unboxing. Videos in this niche are trending and are receiving a remarkable number of views, as you can see. Lastly, the before and after niche is also trending, with videos like this one getting an astounding 108 million views. These niches can provide you with a wealth of content to watch and earn from. You can choose any of these niches that I've suggested. For the sake of demonstration, I'll choose the sports niche to show you how this method works and how you can earn money when someone views these videos. The method I'm about to explain is easy to follow and doesn't demand any previous experience or special skills. All you need is an internet connection and either a computer or smartphone. However, before we proceed, please take a moment to like this video and drop a comment with your country's name. Now the next step is to select any of these shorts and click on them. Watch the entire short to ensure it's engaging and entertaining. If you find the chosen short to be good, click on Share and then select Copy to copy the short link. After copying the link, we need to convert it to a money link, so every time someone clicks on the link and watches the video, you earn the money. Here I want you to pay attention because I'm going to tell you a strategy that has helped me earn hundreds of dollars. Now let's move on to the website we'll be using for this strategy. As you can see, this is how much I've personally earned so far with the method I'm about to reveal. I'll disclose the website's name shortly, but please make sure you follow all the steps before visiting the website. This website allows you to earn money for clicks. For example, if you get 1,000 clicks from Greenland, you'll earn $22. If you get clicks from Ireland, you'll earn $16 and so on. Just imagine, for a video with 108 million views, if you get paid, let's say, $8 for every 1,000 views, that could result in tens of thousands of dollars. Here is the payment proof from other people who have successfully withdrawn money from this website by simply watching YouTube shorts. This website is called shrinkme.io. The first step is to create your account. Click where it says Register and fill in your information, including your username, email, and password. Then, click the 2 checkboxes and hit Register. Once you've done that and verified your email, your dashboard will look like this. On this dashboard, all you have to do is paste your YouTube Shorts link, and this website will turn it into a money link for you. Click where it says New Shorten Link and paste your link here. In my case, this was the video link I'm using. After you've pasted the link, click Shorten and voila, it just created our money link. Now, whenever someone clicks this link to watch the YouTube Shorts video, we get paid. That's how we make money, essentially. Our task now is to get other people to click this link and watch the video. I'm going to show you the websites I personally use for this purpose. After you've copied the link, go to a website like Sport Forum. Now we have to share this valuable video with them. This video already has millions of views and is one of the most popular in the sports niche. You can see that posts here are getting views every single day. And what you want to do on this forum is create posts similar to what others are doing. Start sharing your link and say something like, "This is the best sports video you will ever watch." Let me know what you think about it. The more posts you make, the more clicks you'll get, which means more money. But if you're working with other types of YouTube shorts, Facebook is a great platform for that. This method works for virtually any niche, and Facebook is where you can even get hundreds of thousands of views. For example, if you're interested in unboxing videos, you can type unboxing in the search bar and select groups. You'll find numerous groups where you can start sharing your link. For some niches, you'll even find groups with millions of members. Keep in mind that this method works worldwide, but to maximize your earnings, don't just do this with 1 or 2 videos. The more videos you work with, the more money you'll make. So go ahead and expand your efforts to achieve better results. We hope this video has been helpful in explaining how you can earn money by watching YouTube Shorts. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more money-making tips and tricks. If you want to earn money by watching simple ads, then watch this next video.